Hey y'all, welcome back to Building the Dream One Tree at a Time. Today, I'm going to show you a special trick that I learned from a seasoned timber framer. Now, I've said in some of my past videos, I've learned a lot of what I know about timber framing from right here on YouTube. One really cool trick I'm going to show you today is something I learned from my buddy Dan over at Two Guys Timber Framing. Now, Dan is the man, all right? He's been timber framing for longer than I've been alive, all right? He knows his stuff, and he's got a sweet channel. Check him out, Two Guys Timber Framing. Check out his channel, his videos, all kinds of good stuff. Learn tons of stuff from him. Here's a trick that he taught me. You can cut timber frame joints with your sawmill. Now, I don't know if you can do this on a big industrial mill, but on this Woodland Mill sawmill, same brand mill that my buddy Dan's got, you can do this. You can cut these tenons. So what we're going to do today, we're going to test Dan's method. We're going to see how well it works. I think it's going to work just fine because I've seen him do it. But I'm going to try it for myself for the first time. Dan, here we go, man. Let's give it a shot. All right, so here we go. Here's what we're going to do today. We got a couple of timbers here. We need to cut tenons on either end of them, both of them. So we're going to do both at the same time on the sawmill. Do it same way Dan's taught me. Get these things lined up. Clamp them into place. All my lines right here, pretty well lined up. Now I've made all my cross cuts here with the circular saw already. So now all I got to do is rip cuts on this sawmill. I think it's going to work pretty well, but let's see. Let's find out. Just going to torque this blade to spec. Alright, let's fire it up and get going. That was easy. That was just almost too easy. Fast, easy, a lot better than lug around that gigantic circular saw. Now all I've got to do is just finish cutting what the circular saw couldn't hit. There's one. There's two. Three. Four. Whew. Glad these things are only pine and not oak. Ain't that right, Dan? There we go. Dan, you're the man. Didn't I tell you? I tell you it's a good idea? Dan told me it was a good idea. He's been telling me I should try this for a while, and I was like, yeah. Well, I finally tried it, and yeah, let me say, Dan, you were right. It's a great method. Now, this wouldn't be possible without the Woodland Mill Sawmill. This thing is awesome. If you've seen my other videos, that's what I've cut all my timbers for my whole house with, plus a whole bunch of others. It was it's just a great machine. It's cost effective, awesome company, awesome customer service. Can't say enough good things about them. And for more than just milling logs into lumber, obviously you can do all kinds of other stuff like cutting tenons. So thank you, Woodland Mills. Thank you, Dan, so much for your advice. This was awesome. So all of you check out Two Guys Timber Framing. They know their stuff. Dan, you're the man. Thank y'all for watching. Catch you on the next one. God bless.